Open your eyes. It is not an optical illusion. A 21st century betrayal that was and plunged the decency and rich history of the culture and tradition into an infinite chaos, a general tradition curse unleashed by the hands of greed into the beautiful kingdom of Zangali that sparks the untimely death of kings who will appease the roots of the gods and put Zangali kingdom back to the path of sanity, peace and harmony.
Nala avimi dama okunye jelmam
Nebi pombe sable munjido kama nyi yam yabunu no nyami na sonse ka onam no nyevele tito
Finji ta shalmu dortu ne pambal be pelega be sepla ka chabu
anyam kam yenam baw bay be lebia o mi balina
na damman
mumdiyan bor panga ko gbanumto
nagala an yin silan ko
di gorgo kemlo waba wani kurgushi du ka yel shanga nang da samban la zo ka ma kana kpamle
vorgo kam ku satma yel ni yela papale kuna yulu han zo na ku ye papale.
Come and watch ASHILI Yao on 26th of April 2025 at the Pecan Gardens from 8 p.m. till you drop. Watch this movie and understand the phenomena of betrayal and tradition that strangles the neck of prosperity in Zangali Kingdom.
Ledda kwal ngumbo son pa bor lora wonan tersir dapsa jete nan ka pali
na sotene le songa no isale kalo demde songa men bang le sunsuni
utamama nyirshin nesia kama pungo kobe
sulkani tara har yongo tantala.
The rate is a cool 30 Ghana cedis. ASHILI Yao, a movie full of history, sorrow, and suspense, so don't be left out.
ni yella ngori nyala ASHILI
ayu poba nina dominari nya adamba o minasta mba sanda
bombara
yaw
ASHILI ya bombara